Add hyperlinks to your document to link websites, documents, and more. To start, copy the address you want to link to, like a website URL. Paste or type it in your document. Word automatically turns it into a hyperlink when you press space or enter. If you want to make specific text a hyperlink, select the text. Select Insert, Link. The most recent link you copied is at the top, followed by Recent Documents. Select one of the options or select Insert Link to customize it. This lets you choose the kind of link you want, like a web page, place in the document, or email address. You can also change the display text for the hyperlink. Paste the address in and select OK. And your text is now a hyperlink. To remove a hyperlink, right-click it and select Remove Hyperlink.